Publix haul for the week, or Publix Heist. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $84.43 worth of goods, and was all said and done. They paid me $3.74. Or you can also do this as $77.05 worth of goods, and they pay you $5.12 if you remove this and this, but all depends on how much you want to get paid. So, this is for the week of November 27th through December 2nd. I'm going to be trying to do this every week and post it on, make the video and get it up there on the first or second day of the sale. Sale started yesterday, today's Saturday, so you can do this all the way through Wednesday. So please subscribe to my channel so you can do the deals. I got some Rockstar Zero Energy drink. Thought it'd be energy drink, but yeah, got protein drink. I got some kombucha. I got some pasta sauce. I got Purex laundry detergent, as you see. Got some maxi pads. Got some cheese. Got some yogurt alternative. I got some Tums. I got some always discreet pads, and I got some Dimetapp. And of course, this was the kicker. This is what made me get paid. Got a Visa gift card. So all the links are below the video, so you can do these deals yourselves, as well as where I got the what insert I got them from, and links to print the coupons. I use manufacturer coupons, I use store coupons, I use digital coupons, and I use ibotta. Here's everything we needed to make it happen. Got a lot of printables for free. Publix. Purex, manufacturer printable, got printable in store, printable in store, printable in store, printable in store, or not printable in store, but manufacturing store. As well as that was manufacturing for store. This was a kicker, got 10 off my total. As well, I used ibotta and digital coupons. All the links are in the details below, as you know. So once again, subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. And here's some more cool information right here.